Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself, potentially saving you over $200. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some nitrile gloves. It's also wise to have 2 new headlight bulbs on hand, like H11 bulbs for low beams, even if only one is out. Remember to wear gloves to protect the new bulb from skin oils. Now, let's get to accessing the headlight. For the driver's side, you'll need to loosen the clamp on the air intake boot with a flathead screwdriver and then remove the air filter body. On the passenger side, locate the ECU, push down on its small tab, and lift it to move it out of the way without unplugging it. Next, remove any clips or screws holding the headlight assembly in place. Gently pull back the weather stripping and disconnect any hoses to clear your workspace. With access clear, it's time to replace the bulb. You'll find a cap covering the headlight bulb. Simply twist this cap counterclockwise to remove it. Next, carefully unplug the electrical connector from the old bulb. Now, gently grasp the old bulb by its plastic base, never the glass, and pull it straight out. Take your new bulb, connect the electrical harness to it first, then insert it into the housing, twisting clockwise until it clicks securely into position. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Almost done. Now, reattach the headlight bulb cover by twisting it clockwise until it's secure. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its proper place. Reinstall all the screws, clips, and other components you removed, such as the air filter body or the ECU. Make sure any hoses or wiring harnesses are reconnected firmly. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that your new bulb is functioning perfectly. Great job! You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.